and then we'll simply click our font editor and go down to this next smaller text. 10 would probably work good. And now we'll add the text again. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're done with this part. That's pretty much all there is to the forms. Just remember, if you want to add an image, you can click on this to duplicate that image. Then we can delete the image. But you can also select an image from somewhere on your desktop. Like I said, it goes to our forms folder by default, but if you wanted to locate another image on your desktop or on other places on your PC, you could do that. Now this image is not for pulling up another banner or banner background in. You want to do that through the background tab here. The image tab on the forms section is strictly just for smaller images like the one you see here. So now that we have this, we will go to our animations tab. The animations tab is a pretty fun tab, and it's real easy to create a banner and make it animated. And all you have to do that is simply click on one of these circles and it will display that particular animation effect. So if we click on blinds, you'll see that it creates the blind effect. Now if you want to make that continuous, you just click loop animation, and then you can see it just continues to make the blinds animation over and over. Now we'll just go through these real quick. You can also change the background color here, so if you're on a white website and you want everything to blend in, you could just change it to white. Okay, and then here's the checkerboard, the circles, crush reveal, ellipse in, expand from top left, expand from top right, bottom left, bottom right, stretched, scroll. This would be no animation, which would make it not do anything. The slide, the fade, the horizontal blinds, the mono reveal, the zoom in, and the zoom out. Again, you can change colors to any color you wish. For this one, we'll do the fade. Now when you get ready to export this to save an animated image or banner, what you would do is click on Export Banner, and you would save it as the GIF. That's the only format that you can save an animated banner in. You cannot use any of the other banner extensions to save an animated banner. Now this banner will not actually be live until you put it on a website and publish that website online. So if you save this to your desktop and then preview it in your photo editor, whether it be Photoshop or Fireworks or whatever photo editor that you use, it will not display as an animation. But once you put that into a website page, then upload that page to your server, then it will become animated. Okay, that's pretty much it for the animations tab. Now I want to cover the tabs here. If you remember when we started, we clicked New Banner. So to save this banner, you would just click on Export Banner, the GIF, because it is a animated banner, and then we'll just save it. Okay, file saved. Okay, now if you want to save this as a template, what we would do is we would take the loop animation off. We would go back to our Forms tab, and we would actually delete the text. And the reason why we're going to delete the text is because To save a template, you probably want it not to have text on it. That way you can come back and fill in any text you want on the fly and you'll be done. So it's real quick and easy to do that. So what you would do is go to where it says Save as Template, click on that, enter the name of the template, and then click OK. Then once you come back into the banner generator at a later time to load your banner or load your templates, you can just click on Load Template and push Yes. And then right here it will display all the templates that you have. Okay, these are basically the same one. And as you keep adding templates, you'll keep building this list in this category right here where it saves all your templates. Then you just pick the desired template you want and then add your text. It makes it a lot quicker than creating a banner from scratch every time. So I would definitely suggest that you get some icons or images that you like, maybe for certain niches like weight loss or real estate or whatever niche you might be in, and you can actually create some templates that you can just come in and add your text and you'll be done. So once you get the template that you want, you'll just click on Load and it'll start the banner generator back over to the first tab that we started with to create that particular banner for that template. Then you would go through the tabs again till you got to the end, and then you would export your banner to one of these file types. Quickly on the file types, the GIF and the JPG are the most common types of files. They're a smaller file, so they don't take up as much room on your website page. The BMP, the PSD, and the TGA are more of a raw source, which means the clarity on them may be slightly better, but they're going to be a lot bigger file. And typically, like PSD is used to edit in Photoshop. So GIF or JPG are usually the ones that you see on the web. And I think that really about does it. That wraps up everything that we did on the banner. As far as creating it, it's real simple, real easy. And I would definitely suggest that you save your templates as you create them. And remember to take the text off, because saving a template with text on it doesn't really allow you to do any editing to it. You're pretty much stuck with what you have. If you're just going to save it, you just go to Export Banner and save it as one of those file types. Okay, this concludes our banner generator tutorial. Thanks a lot.